Hello dear students, welcome back to this class of English. Students, in this session, the topic of narration will be carried forward. So, let's begin. So students, I hope you remember the mnemonic I told you to change from direct speech to indirect speech. It is children can play, talk and relish vegetables. So we have done the first two, this and this, the change of pronouns, the removal of inverted commas and the addition of conjunction. So let us begin with the next, which is the change of tenses. So how to change tenses? Okay, so first of all we need to keep in mind that whenever the reporting verb is in present or future, then the tense of the direct speech will not change. The tense will not change. Fine. But when this reporting verb is in past tense, then the tense of the direct speech while changing to indirect will change. So the very first thing to keep in mind is the tense of the reporting verb. Fine. For example, if it is says, it is in present, then the tense of the direct speech will not change. If it is said, then of course it is in past tense and the tense of direct speech will change. Now, is it clear? If it is in present or future, no change. If it is in the past tense, then the tense will change. But how? Let us learn. All the present tenses will change to corresponding past tenses. All the present tenses will change to corresponding past tenses. For example, present indefinite. Will change to past indefinite. Present continuous will change to past continuous. Present perfect will change to past perfect. And present perfect continuous will change to past perfect continuous. Fine. So all the present tenses will change to corresponding past tenses. Fine. Now if it is already in past, if the reporting verb is in the past and the direct speech is also in the past, then what? Okay, so if it is in the past tense, how many kinds of past tenses can it be? Again, 4 past tenses. Past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Fine. So now how to learn this? How to change? So for this you need to skip one tense. Fine. Like past indefinite will change to past perfect. Fine. And then past continuous will change to past perfect continuous. I'll write here past indefinite will change to past perfect after skipping one. And then past continuous will change to past perfect continuous. Fine. Now the last two tenses are left. Past perfect and past perfect continuous. So these do not change. They do not change. That means if direct speech is in past perfect or past perfect continuous tense, then the tense of the direct speech while changing from direct to indirect will not change. But if it is in the past indefinite, it will change to past perfect. And if it is in the past continuous tense, it will change into past perfect continuous. Fine. So this is the rule for changing tenses. Now when we talk of changing tenses, let me tell you an exception also. See, this is grammar, and whenever we get to learn some rules, we need to know the exceptions also. So let's come to the exceptions. As I've already told you, whenever the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the direct speech changes. But sometimes it does not change. When the statement of the direct speech is a universal truth or a routine or a fact. So these are the exceptional cases. Fine. Then the tense of the direct speech will not change. Let me give you an example. The teacher said, comma, inverted commas begin, the sun rises in the east. So this is a universal truth or fact. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. So when we change this from direct to indirect speech, it becomes the teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Though the reporting verb said is in the past tense, but still we will not change the tense of the direct speech. So this should be kept in mind. Or let me take another example. The student said comma, inverted commas begin. I brush my teeth every day. So, how will it be written? It will be written like this. The student said that he brushes his teeth every day. It's not past. Now one more example here. The lady said, my son wants to become an actor. So the son wants to become an actor. Though the reporting verb is in the past tense because of the word said, still it will be written like this. The lady said that her son wants to become an actor, because the son still wants to become an actor, right? So these are the exceptions for the change in tenses. Now there are modals also which change. How do they change? Will, shall change to would. Can changes to could. May changes to might. And must, should, would. Must, should, would do not change. Fine. When we are changing the sentence from direct to indirect speech, must, should, would do not change. So with that, we are done with the T part also, that is tenses. Children can play, talk and relish vegetables. So we are over with the 3 now. Children can play, talk. We have covered these 3. Now we come to A, and. Fine. And A here stands for and, the change of adverbs. Which we will do in our next video. I am breaking the video here only. That's all for today. Thank you.